In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create sprints in Notion. By the end, you'll have a sprint workspace set up and ready to customize for your team or personal projects. Start by opening Notion and heading to the top left corner of the app. Click the small drop-down arrow there. This opens the main workspace menu and gives you quick access to tools you'll use throughout Notion. It's a handy place to switch spaces or find built-in resources, including templates. From that menu, click Templates. This opens Notion's template gallery, which is the fastest way to start with a pre-built sprint setup instead of designing everything from scratch. If the marketplace view appears with multiple categories, make sure you're looking at the templates section so you're seeing complete, ready-to-use options. Next, use the search bar at the top of the gallery and type Sprints. Notion will filter the results to show templates designed for sprint planning, tracking, and reviews. You'll usually see options with a Kanban board, a task database, and views for current and upcoming sprints. Select the sprint template that looks like the best fit. Click into it to open the preview. Take a moment to skim the description and screenshots so you know what's included. Look for task properties like status, assignee, story points, and start or end dates. When you're ready, click Add or use this template. Notion will prompt you to choose where to place it in your workspace. Pick a location you and your team can easily find, such as a projects or operations area. Once the template is added, it's time to make it yours. Rename the page to match your team or product. Open the task database and check the properties. You'll typically see fields like sprint, status, assignee, priority, and points. Adjust or add properties to match your workflow. For example, you might add a start date and end date to define sprint boundaries, or a simple checkbox for bug versus feature. In the board view, group by status so tasks flow from to do to in progress to done. If the template includes multiple views like timeline or calendar, tailor them to show only the current sprint by setting a filter on the sprint or date fields. Create a few sample tasks to confirm the views update as expected. Finally, share the page with your team and set permissions so everyone can add or update tasks. Save any customized views as defaults, and consider creating an archive section for completed sprints to keep things tidy. With that, your Notion sprints are ready to run.